May we see them?
We are not going to leave before we see them.
We need to see them. We need to make sure that we have food, we have medical supplies.
We don't know you. How can we trust
How
you?
can we trust you?
Want to see the family.
We just need to make sure they're okay. Then we will wait, but we will not pound on the door. But please let us see the family and let them tell us they are okay. No, that's not enough. We need to see them.
All of them.
They should see it, but you are filming. They should see it.
Yeah.
They knock the door at 2 o'clock in the morning, and they told him we will attack the house, and they go upstairs at the second floor, and they enter the second floor, and they keep him in the same area in the kitchen. The soldier is sitting into Look here, it's very, very perfect, like to see anyone who is passing from here. And refugee camp. This is a refugee camp here. You can't see anyone from here. They will attack this house. They put it like a black material here to close it all door, and just small holes to see. And it's easy to shooting anyone from here. It's easy, like snipers here.
Vale, anem bloquegem la porta de Balata.
Let's go inside. Go with this man. Yala.
Maybe not directly.
No, espérense.
Let's go there and stand on the way. If they stop, we'll stop. Stay together.
There you go!
خلاص راحوا